Mm. Welcome back, Kit.
Well, gang, guwapa gihapon nistamot kag kagwapa. Grabe.
Is it okay for you to go to the Duterte Street for a while? Gamay na yung mga tao. Welcome back,
Ang
Kit.
agenda karon is lakaw-lakaw kay mamen kay kusog ba akong tao.
Mm.
Ayun lang.
Hello, Veronica Kitty Duterte, maayong hapon. How are you today?
I am okay. Just arrived at 6 a.m. this morning.
Mhm.
And I had my visit just finished minutes ago, just now. So,
Welcome back to the Netherlands, Kit. We are happy that you're back here as well. Kit, how was your flight?
long, as usual. And long and stressful. Kay arte baya ko no. Ang akong maleta, tulo ka buok.
Okay.
And especially with my winter clothes. So, tulo ka buok. Ako tigit-git tanan. Okay lang, maskulado man.
Kit, what was your reaction seeing your father after such a long time?
Actually I'm not gonna lie. I probably never see me cry in public. Pero dito, nihilak dito. Because I haven't seen him for I think 2 months since October. And then since, as you know already, I'm sick. I have the flu, cough and cold. So, wala na ko nag-kiss sa iyang apik. Well, maybe once. But, dili ko sa iyang tiyan nag-snuggle because, of course, our priority is his health. And, really na ko gusto mahawa sa iya.
Kit, is it possible for you to share with us lang na what was his reaction seeing you?
Kuan, surprise siya, of course. When I go there, good, pag makita na ko siya, shagit ko, Papa Rudy, and so I shouted, and then, nako yung mata, he looked very surprised, but also happy. And then, he told me I look beautiful, but, we can't talk much in the corridor, so we had to talk inside the designated area. So we talked there, and then, he was looking me up and down na observe kung sa bago sa ako. At first, he noticed his ring that I wear. College ring. It's his favorite ring ever because he is very proud that he is a lawyer. So, this is his favorite ring good. Then, he noticed I was wearing it. So, ang joke niya, bago kagsingsing imo na. Ito, we laugh. And sunod niya napansin akong buhok. Kaya nagpa-straight ko buhok. Kulot man nito ka. His hair right now is naka-bonnet siya. And then since his hair is quite long na good. So it's showing ba? So it is showing na good sa bonnet. So kulot-kulot na. So it's quite sad na nagpa-straight ko. Kay like you already know, he does appreciate when he sees his features on us, his children. He likes it that way. So, ingon ko lang, treatment lang man, keratin lang man. Ibalik ka niya. So, mato, ayun, he looked very happy, very surprised, and also very, there.
Kit, just a little bit political lang. What is your opinion about all the attacks hurled towards all of your family members right now?
I mean, me, no, I've never even defended myself against any allegation before. So, with regards to the attacks against my family pod, wala. Basag, I mean, it's always gonna be there, especially with my sister. Whether they admit it or not, she's the biggest threat. So, not in a bad way, but just because kuha niya ang tao. And because the public knows that she's genuine about it. And that she really has the heart to say. It's gonna be there. And, wala, I think we're all secured with ourselves. We're confident enough to know na we're just really serving them for now. They're just really serving. So, I have nothing to defend.
Okay. Is there any question from everyone? Wala na ba? Kit, just to conclude the very short interview, is there something you want to tell the Filipino supporters of the Duterte family in general?
How many months?
9 months, more than 9 months already.
So to all the supporters of the whole family, it's been 9 months with you all, more than 9 months. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to you all. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up every time. Thank you for not giving up on us, especially on him. And thank you for the collective prayer, because I know that you're praying for him. I see all these messages. I see all these support from the people, and sometimes the supporters, they approach me in person and they just tell me that you're praying for your family. So I just want to thank you, and I just want you all to know that we're here. We're always gonna be here. You know that not just during election time. We're here all throughout, and we're not perfect, but we're true. So thank you.
Kitty, on behalf of the entire supporters of Filipino community in the Netherlands, we wish you, your mom, Mira, and the entire Duterte family a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
Christmas. Happy New Year to you all. Happy holidays.
Thank you. Sorry. For the first timer, mag-picture here and then exit there. Kung okay lang sa inyo. Okay. From Tennessee sila. Dahil lang kakit. Oo. Ay, yung phone, ma'am. Ako na lang mag-picture, ma'am. Family? Sige, family. Ayan, 1, 2, 3.
May sakit.
From Tennessee, paguni sila,
Oo, sige, sabihin.
Thank you.
Mas layo pa sila doon sa akin.
Correct, actually, oh.